Hi everyone, so in this video I'm gonna walk you through how Facebook ads or just simply Meta ads can help you or can't help you in this video. What I mean by this is that as the founder of Hyein Marketing, social media marketing agency, we cover more about social media marketing and influencer marketing and Meta ads. Usually clients doesn't know how like a whole marketing system works, meaning how even Meta ads can make some revenue or sales, or how social media can be connected to the sales effort, and then how Meta ads can perform but can't perform, and then what metrics we have to cover or can't cover. This is very important question, and this is very important topic, because if you don't know about this ecosystem, then chances are you're a freelancer or agency, and you as a client can have some misunderstanding, and this can go beyond your expectations. Maybe you just don't want to collaborate any further like work. Like I don't want to make any misunderstanding. So what I usually do is explain how the whole marketing works. This is Meta ads and this is Instagram, or even this is CRM, how everything works, and then finally making my clients understand this person is something that I can help, but I cannot help this part because our contract is for just this part. Okay, so how Facebook ads work, and then how Facebook ads can perform and can't perform, and then what metrics you should focus on. Okay, so let's dive right into it. So I prepared this like a little diagram so that you can understand more clearly. So basically there is a content or what we call creatives. So this is, we can consider as creatives, which means just advertising content. And then to run effective advertising content. By the way, this is not really advanced diagram, meaning I made this everything really simple so that you as a very beginner or just beginner or non-marketer can understand this whole picture really clearly. So this is Facebook ads section, okay? And then to run effective Facebook ads, we need really sophisticated or detailed targeting, okay? So we are gonna utilize this targeting into our system. Like let's say you're targeting freelancer, we can select the interest like freelancer, or even like you can select another behavior, yeah, or even you can target competitors, right? By the way, I filmed about how you can retarget your warm audiences by utilizing custom audiences or lookalike audiences. You need to watch this to understand retargeting here. So retargeting is more about bringing sales revenue with pennies on the dollar, and then by using the effective targeting, we're gonna bring people into our content, and then the meta system will continuously show this content to relevant people, and then the meta algorithm will optimize based on the performance, meaning the performance can be just like click or like engagement or something like impressions, or sometimes like sales or leads. Based on the objectives of your campaign, it can be really different, but ultimately the meta system will optimize everything based on the performances that you want to achieve. Okay, so let's say your audience saw your advertising. I separated some activities based on the performances. If people just saw and leave right away, it could be just impression. But if your audience watched your content, you can actually have views, the video views. And then if they made any engagement like likes, shares, and save, this can be considered as engagement. And also if they want to learn more about your item or something you sell, people will click your content, and then they will go to your funnel or landing page or something you already positioned in your ad. Okay, something like lead form, yeah, it can be different, but let's say they clicked your ads. Okay, they go to funnel or landing page mostly. But if they want to actually see what is this brand about? They might click the profile first, and then they can see the Instagram profile or Facebook profile first. Then it could be different, like just go to the social media profile, okay? And let's say they actually click your content and then go to a landing page or funnel. And there is like a copywriting here and then buttons here, and or you can have like this is freebie and then you can get this one by exchanging your email. So there is like a whole landing page, right? But I really want to tell you that if you as a client want to work with just Facebook ads specialist, you cannot actually force them to make sales lead unless the Facebook ads specialist has an expertise about funnels and landing page. Meaning funnel has copywriting part, and then there is a creative content part there as well, and then there is a strategic placement about buttons here, and then the design strategy in a way, like UI UX for sure, and then the whole process about how the audience might think about your product, like those testimonials or reviews, like the strategic placement in your landing page. So if your Facebook ads specialist is not really having the expertise in funnel strategies or landing page strategies, you cannot expect sales, okay? So as a Facebook ads specialist, or simply just advertising specialist, they can cover this part, not this funnel or landing page part, because we cannot really guarantee that how we can control everything after our advertising. This doesn't make sense. Although we can actually optimize our targeting with a detailed manner, like we can bring more people with high income level, like high ticket clients or middle ticket clients. We can bring people there, but the decision will be made in funnel or landing page. So that's why it's really hard to control everything at once. Although we can actually increase the conversion rate, talking about like a sales or leads just based on our Facebook ads, this doesn't really make sense. I understand that your money is so important, but our time or our knowledge, our expertise is so important in a way, if that makes sense. So I hope it was really helpful for you. So like the first thing you have to understand this whole market like an ecosystem. And then if you want to really generate revenue, it's not really about Facebook ads only. This is about social media in place, CRM in place, influencer marketing, and PR. Everything should be together. And then Facebook ads can handle just this part if that person don't have any expertise in funnel or landing page. So I hope it was helpful for you. And then if you are struggling to generate leads and sales, and then you are stuck with your marketing effort, you don't know what to do next, and then you don't even feel like there is a missing point that you have to actually improve, we are happy to help. Just feel free to fill our form in the description box below, and then my team and I will review it, and if we are a good fit, we are gonna reach out to you. So bye for now, see you later.